In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create superscript text in Canva, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media post, or any type of design project, learning how to effectively use superscript can elevate your design aesthetics. Let's dive in and explore this simple yet effective technique. First, you'll need to head over to canva.com. Once you're there, locate the login button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the web page. Click on it and enter your credentials. Canva offers several convenient login options for users, including signing in with your Google or Facebook account, or simply using your email. Just choose the method that's most convenient for you. Once you've logged in successfully, it's time to select the project you wish to work on. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new design by clicking on Create a Design. If you already have an ongoing project in mind, simply locate it in your dashboard and click to open. Now the next step is to prepare the text. To do this, navigate to the toolbar on the left side of your screen and click on the text icon. From there, you can add a text box to your design by selecting one of the available options and inserting it onto your canvas. With your main text in place, it's time to add the text that will become your superscript. Go back to the text option and insert another text box specifically for the superscript. In this second box, type the text that you intend to appear as superscript. Once you have both text elements ready on your canvas, position the superscript text box exactly where you would like it to appear in relation to your main text. Typically, this would be slightly above and to the right. Adjust the size of the superscript if needed by clicking and dragging the corner handles to make it look proportionate and pleasing. To ensure the main text and the superscript text remain aligned and consistent when moved, you'll want to group them together. First, select both text boxes. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse around both boxes, or by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each box individually. Once both boxes are selected, simply click the group icon appearing at the top of your screen. This will lock them together as one single unit so they move seamlessly as you continue to design around them. Congratulations, you've just created your very own superscript text in Canva. This technique is a fantastic way to add a professional touch to your documents and designs. Remember, as with many design elements, less is often more, so use this technique sparingly to maintain clarity and readability in your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped enhance your creative toolkit. Be sure to explore other exciting features in Canva to continue improving your design skills. Happy designing!